Hello and welcome back to Projector People. Thanks for joining us today. What we're here to talk about is a new product from Boston Acoustics. It's the TVee Model 30 home theater soundbar. This unit brings a lot of unique features to it in that it's very simple to set up and basically requires no wires unless you're actually going to connect it to a DVD player or other hardwired device that does not have Bluetooth technology. What we're going to do is we're going to show you that these items here are everything that you need in order to be able to set the unit up. Should you want to connect it for digital audio to a Blu-ray player, then you may also use the fiber optic cable which connects to the back of the unit. So for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to show that simply by plugging in and connecting the power cords. And I'm doing this from scratch just to show you that there's nothing that took 30 minutes to do in advance. I want you to understand that it's really a very quick and simple process. If you're like me, your teenagers could probably do it more quickly than most of us adults, but you're going to have to bear with me because I am, after all, an adult. So there we have power to the main unit. This unit also ships quite uniquely with a wireless subwoofer that, again, only requires the connection of a power cord, which I will do here quite briefly. And basically we're ready for turning the unit on and showing you how to connect via Bluetooth. There is a hardwire switch, a hard on-off switch in the back, that when you turn it on, you'll notice that there are lights on the front of the panel. I am using a BlackBerry device, which, as you know, is much more temperamental than most of your iPad products. So whatever it is that you choose to set up with it, I'm sure will work fine. I'm literally going from scratch as if this is the first time I've ever seen the product. So there's a button on the front, which is power. When you power it on, you'll see 3 green lights. You press your input button until you get a blue flashing signal, which I have there. You then use your Bluetooth device. You search for the product. 2 items found. Audio device. And we should be 2, 3, 4. Only moments away from connection. And I'm going to say yes. Survey says we are connected. Now you're going to find out just what kind of a rocker I am, because you'll notice that I have some real hip music here to play. That is very sarcastic, of course. I am, after all, the projector guy. That said, we should be hearing so this is playing from the Bluetooth on my BlackBerry. Subwoofer is now powered and playing as well. So I'm not sure how long that took, probably about 5 minutes or less. And we went from nothing to having audio available via the soundbar and a Bluetooth connection. There's a lot of different ways that you can utilize this, not the least of which you may have a fireplace mantle that you'd like to have something that wouldn't be too obtrusive, such as this soundbar connected on. And you can sit on your couch or your favorite lounger and play from your Bluetooth iPads, from your iPod, whatever it is that you can connect by Bluetooth. There's also an auxiliary connection here on the side should you have devices that are not Bluetooth enabled. And you can play your music and really have a very nice sound system. Obviously this sets up quickly and easily, and it can be utilized by the poolside, on patios, or any place where it's requires just a little bit of power, and you're in good shape. Some other very nice features about this product. Obviously, if you have a television with an optical audio out, you can run your digital audio out of your television directly into this soundbar, and this soundbar has the ability to set up a 5.1 surround-like sound system for you, so that by delaying the firing of the speakers in the proper sequence, it gives you the impression that you're actually in a surround sound environment. In addition to that, this unit does not ship with a remote control, but the great thing is everybody wants one more remote control, right? Not likely. That said, you can use your television or your Blu-ray or whichever remote it is that you use to control the audio for your other devices, and you can actually program this device. It'll learn from your remote control so that you can control the audio with the same remote that you use every day. That's really about everything there is to know about it, and again, you can enjoy this in a variety of places. It's totally up to you how you want to use it. I just wouldn't leave it out in the rain.